Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to make your Notion workspace more interactive and streamlined, today is the tutorial for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create functional buttons inside Notion and how to use them to automate your pages, create neat shortcuts, and add creativity to your setups. Let's dive in and walk through each step together, so you'll be building your own custom buttons with total confidence. Alright, the very first thing you need to do is open up the Notion page where you want your button to appear. Once you're there, simply type in button right into the page. Notions/commands are like secret shortcuts. They unlock extra powers in your workspace, and button is all you need to start. As soon as you type it, you'll see the option to create a button. Go ahead and select that, and right away you'll get the chance to name your button. Naming your button is actually more important than it might seem. Clear, descriptive names will help you remember what each button does, especially if you end up with several on your page. For example, you might call one New Project Page or Add Task, whatever fits your workflow best. Take a moment here to choose a name that makes sense for you. And don't worry, you can always edit it later if inspiration strikes. Next up, it's time to make your button stand out visually. You'll notice an option to add an icon to your button. Icons are a great way to give your workspace personality and to help buttons catch your eye. Think of them like little signposts, maybe a checklist icon for tasks or a page icon for new pages. Just click the icon option and select one that fits your button's function. If you're a visual thinker, these icons will make your Notion setup faster to use and easier to navigate. Now, let's add some action to your button, which is where things get fun. Click on New Action, and you'll see Notion gives you a few choices. You can pick any available action, but for this beginner tutorial, let's create a button that makes a brand new page for you. So select Insert Block, then type Page, and name your new page. Something like Project Template or Meeting Notes. This action means every time you press the button, Notion will automatically create that new page for you, saving you all those extra clicks. When you've finished setting up your button and its actions, go ahead and test it. Click the button you just created. You should see it open up a brand new page, just like we set up. From here, click into the new page and start customizing it however you want. Maybe add a template, jot down notes, or build out project details. This part might take a few moments if you're making something detailed, and that's totally fine. The button is there to make starting faster. You can fill in the details at your own pace. And honestly, that's the whole workflow. Once you've got the hang of creating a button, you'll realize you can add even more, set up multiple buttons for different tasks, link them together, and really supercharge how you use Notion. If your first button doesn't look perfect or you want to adjust the name later, don't worry. It's easy to tweak and experiment until you get everything just right. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this beginner's guide helpful and that you're excited to try building your own Notion buttons. If you have any questions or want to share your creative setups, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Notion tutorials, walkthroughs, and productivity tips. See you in the next one.